G'day folks, in my last video I was looking at how to hold this 46 diameter acetal in the chuck. This TOS chuck of 100mm is specified there as being 39, which is good because most other chucks that size are specified at 30. If I face these parts in the manual lathe, they will run really well in this chuck. However, with 50 parts to make, I'd really like to avoid that. This is how these parts run in this chuck with a saw cut end. With so many suggestions in the comments on the last video, I just had to look and see what I could find. And this is my chuck drawer with a collet holder, air chuck and all of my soft jaws. I have collected a few bits over the years. Not shown here, but what I found was some chuck jaws that were made for a job in polyurethane that never happened. And as you can see, the gripper parts are nicely serrated. The jaws are for 50 diameter and my part is 46 to hold. So I just wanted to see how well it would run. And that is really not too bad. And at least I know it's pretty well gripped. I could clamp down on a bar up the centre and bore these out, but I'm not going to. I can't remove the material between the jaws, so it's a bit pointless. This comment is actually quite brilliant because yes, I do have outside jaws, and no, I didn't think about using them. I guess it's because I use soft jaws for the second operation. With a range of 27 to 51, they fit the part quite nicely. Here's a quick look at 3 samples running in those outside hard jaws. I didn't think they'd have enough grip along the body of the part, but they're really not working too badly. I think I'll use these jaws because I think they just got more area to grip.